Hi, I'm Rosia, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create, manage and integrate devices in our platform. Integrating devices is essential to send or receive data from the platform. These messages are divided into types: uplink, which is sent from devices to the platform, and downlink, which is sent from the platform to devices. Device integration is available for commercial devices and also for custom-made devices based on, for example, Arduino, Now MCU, or Raspberry Pi. Currently, there are three integration alternatives: HTTP, MQTT, or LoRaWAN. I will not explain every step of the process, but I will describe the features of each integration. In the case of MQTT, you can use a flexible data exchange or a HTTP bridge. In the case of HTTP, you can also use a flexible data exchange, or you can use an HTTP API. In case you want to integrate through a LoRaWAN network server, you can do it with the webhooks of the ThinkStack, ThinkPark, Helium, and ChipStack. To integrate devices into the platform via HTTP or LoRaWAN network servers, you must first create an access token. If you are integrating via MQTT, you will need a TLS certificate. You will find the documentation for these processes in the video description. So what about device models? Device models are used to process these messages. Something important you have to know: if the device is certified and integrated on the platform, a device model is already available. But if not, you have to define and create your own device model. Let's start creating a device model. Remember, this step is only in the case the model is not previously integrated into the platform. So let's go to Settings. In the device section, select Device Model. Click on it to create a new model. In description, enter a name you will use for it. In device model code, enter a code that will be used to internally identify the device model. Optionally, you can define a timeout for offline and click on Save. Once you have created the device model, you can manage it in the device models list. Here you can edit its configuration, delete it, or add some scripts. Let's go to create a new device. Go to your device section on the settings menu and select devices. Click on add to create a new one. Enter the device description and select the model. Add an address. It has to be unique. And finally, click on save. In the device list, you will be able to add, edit, or delete devices and endpoints. If the device model was already integrated on the platform, the device endpoints will be created automatically. Otherwise, you will need to add them. Go to the monitor, click on Endpoints, and you will be able to see if you are receiving uplinks from your devices created. for watching the video. We hope you find it helpful.